Welcome dear student. In this video, I will solve one isometric problem. In that, I will discuss your step-by-step method of solving problem on isometric projection so you can easily understand. So let's start. First, I will read the problem. Front view, top view and side view of an object are given. Draw its isometric view. So here, three view of two-dimensional orthographic projection is given. Now let's define different color coding for the different views so we can easily understand the isometric projection. Now let's start isometric view. In that, first we draw horizontal line of random length. Define any point on that. From that, for isometric, we draw line at 30 degree from that. Other line on the left side also we have to draw at 30 degree. And from that point you have to draw vertical line 90 degree to the horizontal line. So this is basic starting of isometric view. Now drawing different view of isometric, the front view of the orthographic projection that will become on this side, right side of this line. After that, left hand side view will become on this side. Now before starting object drawing, we will define one isometric box. In that our object should be come inside that. So let's start. First define point O. For front view, the O point is here. So on this side we draw the length of the object. So length of our object is 20 plus 20 plus 20, so it is 60. So that 60 mm line we can draw here. Now for drawing the height of the front view, we draw the vertical line and its height should be 20 plus 20 plus 20, so it is 60 mm. So here we draw the 90 degree to horizontal line, or you can say vertical line of 60 mm. Now parallel to that we again draw the 60 mm line. So front view will become inside that, okay. So top 2 point we can join together. So inside this there is a front view will become, so here we will draw the isometric view easily. For left hand side view, this line we have to draw, that is of 50 mm length. So here we draw the 50 mm length line. From that, from this point we draw the vertical line of 60 mm length, because 60 mm is your height. Then now we join these 2 points. So here the side view will be there. For top view, we draw parallel line to this line. So from this we draw the one parallel line, you can say of 60 mm. Now these 2 points we can join together, that is parallel to this. So from this you can join to this line. So here the top view will be there. So this is our isometric box for easily drawing of isometric view. So let's start from the front view. So horizontal line, bottom line we have drawn already 60 mm. Now from point O, their vertical line we have to draw, that is of 20 mm. So here we have to draw 20 mm vertical line. Now this line we have to draw, that is horizontal line, that again 20 mm, and that is parallel to this bottom line. So here parallel to this. So by using roller scale we draw the parallel line of 20 mm. After that there should be again vertical line will be there, that is parallel to this vertical line. So we draw the parallel line to this using roller scale of 20 mm. Now again horizontal line, that again there is a 20 mm length. So draw your horizontal line 20 mm length, that is again parallel to this line. Now vertical line, that again 20 mm height. So from here point draw the 20 mm height. Now from this point there is again horizontal line will be there. So here draw the horizontal line to the end point. Now this point will be joined to this point. So here we can join easily. So here from object we can understand that there is a two surface are that. So one surface we have drawn basic. So on different view, one surface we will draw, and then other surface we can draw easily. So now we move to the left hand side view. So here this surface will be there and this surface will be different. This baseline we have drawn already. Here the O point will be there here. That will be come to the here. Okay. So now from this point we have to draw vertical line. That is of 60 mm. That already we have drawn. On that dark line we can draw up 60 mm. Now from this point we have to move right side. That is, you can see here the 20 mm projection will be taken here in orthographic view. So it is 20 mm will be there. So here we have to draw 20 mm line. From this point we have to draw vertical line of your 40 mm. So this line we have to draw of 40 mm. From this point we can move horizontally. Okay. So here we move horizontally, directly come to this point. Okay. So it will be directly joined. So this side is also completed. Now we move to the top side of the object. So top side we will start from this point. Okay. So from this point we will draw the horizontal line. So this horizontal line, it will be start from this point. Okay. Of 60 mm length. 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60. And already we have yellow color box is drawn, so simply that guide through the whole isometric view. Now from this point we have to move vertical. So here we draw the line. Now from this point, this line is already drawn. So this 20 mm line already drawn. We move to the further next line. So next line we have to draw here. So that is of 30 mm. So here draw from here 30 mm line parallel to this line. Now this 30 mm line that will be joined here point. Okay. So this line we have to draw, that will be start from this point, join here. Now this basic different line is drawn in 3D view. So in isometric projection, different line will be visible. In orthographic view, there is a line behind line that we cannot see different. So that will be not seen separately. Okay. So that line also we have to draw. In isometric, simply there is a inside or outside corner will be there. That point also line should be come. Okay. So in top view we can see here 30 mm line. Below that there is also one 30 mm line will be there. Here also 30 mm line that is visible. Below that also where there will be a 30 mm line. So that line we will draw one by one, that you can see here. So below this 30 mm line, here the one line should be there. If I draw here, you can see here this line should be below that. Okay. So properly it will be visible. So different color is provided, dark color. So that will be start from here. It is of 30 mm length. Now we move to this point. This line is visible easily. That is 30 mm length. This all line is parallel to this 50 mm line, or you can say this yellow line. Now below this line again one line will be there. So that is of again 30 mm length. So here you go 30 mm length. So this should be visible in top view. Now again we come to the front view, because the behind this line there is some line are there that will be visible from the front view. Okay. So here the also again the line will be overlapped there. So we'll start from this point. That point should be here. So from this point there is a vertical line should be there. So we draw this vertical line. So you can simply join these 2 points. Then from that there is a horizontal line. Here from that horizontal line you can join these 2 points. So simple that there is a 30 mm length you can properly measure, and there is a easily this line should be you can draw. That vertical line that should become here. And last one line we can join here. So that should be there. So this is our isometric view. This box you have drawn, you can erase that. Okay. So you can easily see the proper view of isometric view. So this is our isometric projection. Okay. There are 2 or 3 view is given that we convert into the isometric view, that is 3D view, that is 3D object. So 2D is converted into 3D object. Thank you for watching.